Zhongshan HN Hai-Nu Electrical Appliance Limited was established in 2013. Located in Zhongshan Home Appliances Industry Area, Guangdong, China. We are a professional manufacturer of modern kitchen and bathroom electrical appliances. Our main products include gas cookers, induction cookers, gas water heaters, range hoods, and electric water heaters. Our company covers an area of 5,000 square meters and has 54 employees. We have a professional, dedicated design management team. From product design, mold making, molding, to the product assembly, for each aspect and processes are rigorously testing and control. We have awarded the modern ISO 9001-2015 quality management system to supply the strict quality products and services in accordance with different and strict international standards. Most of our products have got CE and RoHS certificates from International Lab SGS and test reports from TUV. The main market of our company includes Italy, Spain, France, Turkey, Morocco, Russia, North Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we always implement the concept of customer value creation for customers, tailored products to meet the needs of different customers, and continuously provide customers with solutions and technical problems. If you have any idea or concepts of OEM and ODM, please feel free to contact us. We warmly welcome all global customers to cooperate with us for win-win and create a bright future with us together.